Your reputation.
Jomer.
Yeah.
Jomer on the moves. Ito.
Tagaytay represents.
He wants to document it.
Tayo on the moves.
Only in the Philippines.
Ha?
Dyan lang naman pala, oh. Dyan pala, oh.
Ano muna, no? Mas mapiko.
Mm.
Luwagin na, Mer. Eh, di na mo na maluwagan nun yan.
Wait, my friend, wait.
Okay. No loose.
Yeah.
This one.
Loose in the head.
Loose.
The one who works it, he has loose in head.
Ngay. Lahat din ba? Oh, look, it's the air is hissing.
All loose, yeah.
Yeah.
All loose.
All loose.
Sukas na ito, amigo. Ibay ka na.
Sige na, Mary, ano mo na lahat?
Dito sa akin, Tagaytay. Ano yung mamulkitay rito? Tigpangawat ng ligid dito sa Tagaytay.
Sikas na yung ligid na. Here, look.
I think look, bro.
These are the professional surfers. Surfers, yeah.
Where's that?
Skimboarders. Back at our place. Back home.
Where you live?
Yep.
Fancy coming to England? Philippines better?
The only problem is we miss our family.
Yeah.
Come on, go on.
And the weather?
Yeah,
Cold
it's
for you?
fine. It's okay.
Yeah.
See, it's not even wearing shit.
Yeah.
Put your back, come in it.
Put your back on it.
Yan na naging matubag na tayo eh. Yeah!
Basic.
Wow.
Jomer the savior. You should wear a cape.
Oh, giti man na ito ni mo. Kung asa ito ni maglibag.
Jomer, you should wear a cape. And you should wear your
This is the
underwear
one.
outside.
This is the one I'm telling you.
Yeah.
From England. He's from England.
Yeah.
He's from
And
here.
he lives in Philippines?
No, he's based in Philippines in vlogging.
Vlogger.
Yeah.
Jomer, you should wear a cape.
Baliktad, Mer. Baliktad ang tuyok, Mer.
Mer, dapat na kay Kapa Mer. Ikaw may superhero, Mer. Tapos ang brief nimo sa gawasan nimo sa uton, ha? Sa gawasan nimo sa uton.
Baliktad ang tuyok, Mer. Baliktad.
Na.
Yan, baliktad. Ah.
When will you go back?
3 years from now.
1 year.
3 years from now. We have a
Need
contract.
visa?
3 years. Yeah.
You have to get a visa.
Working visa.
And how long's that? 3 years?
Yeah, 3 years.
But our COS is 5 years, so maybe we'll be here 5. We need to get new bags.
And
This is the special boy.
is that just a spare then, Jack?
Yeah, this is the spare.
So I need a new one.
Look, baliktad yata to.
Hindi, tama yan.
Anong baliktad?
Hindi, tama.
Parang nakalubog to kanina.
Oh, lubog kasi iba yung max
Iba
niya
yung
eh.
tire niya eh.
Makalimtan ng kung ano, hubcap. Yung hubcap.
Wala na pulos.
Hindi gani, butang ganito, makalimtan.
Is there any vulcanizing shop here?
Any?
Vulcanizing shop, the one who
I don't
inflates
think they
tire.
know how to
Yeah,
vulcanize.
tire shops.
Tire shop,
Yeah.
but tomorrow.
Okay.
All closed now.
Yeah.
But at least I'll get home.
These streets one way.
He don't care.